Linerless media cutter installation. In this video, you will learn how to install the linerless media cutter in a ZT411 printer. Turn off the printer and disconnect the power cord and data cables. Remove any media and ribbon from the printer. Open the media door. Release the tear lower front panel by pushing the cross rib locking post with a screwdriver and slide the front panel away from the printer. Tip the top of the tear lower front panel away from the printer until the mounting tabs separate from the mounting slots. If necessary, lift the front of the printer and remove the lower front panel. Remove the platen roller. Remove the two screws and the tear bar from the printer. Remove the two mounting screws and the media support piece located behind the platen roller. Install the cutter release assembly in place of the tear bar. Ensure the tabs on the mounting bracket rest on the machined surfaces in the platen frame. Install the dark brown linerless platen roller. While holding the cutter assembly upright, route the cable and cutter motor through the access hole into the media compartment of the printer. Ensure the cutter motor is in the access hole just below the platen roller. Set the linerless cutter into the mounting slots and slide the cutter onto the printer. Install the cutter mounting screw. Press down onto the cutter to keep the mounting tabs in contact with the printer frame. Connect the cutter cable to the multi-plug inside of the printer. Install linerless media. Close the media door. Reconnect the power cord and data cables. Turn on the printer. Verify that the printer firmware is Link OS 7.0 or later. If not, update the firmware. Set the following parameters through the control panel. Touch menu. Print. Image adjust. Media handling and set the printer to linerless cut. Touch print. Print quality. Print type and set the printer to direct thermal. Touch print. Print quality. Media type and set the printer to continuous. Touch home. Press the feed button. The linerless cutter is installed and ready to print.